The traditional way to deal with strict vibration criteria in research laboratories has been to pour evermore concrete to create a thicker pad. This does work to some extent, but it costs much more money and time, and it's a leading cause of greenhouse gas emissions. Instead of trying to make the entire facility conform to strict vibration specifications, there is a better way to ensure vibration control for highly sensitive instruments. TMC's Quiet Island is a point-of-use solution that supports each individual vibration-sensitive instrument being installed in the facility. Quiet Islands offer a more affordable point-of-use solution. Each instrument is mounted on its own quiet island during installation, providing superior vibration control. Learn more to see if Quiet Islands can improve your next design.